There are a couple criteria to be considered in a blockchain system. Number 1. Immunity. Permanent and unaltered. Information between a hash and the previous hash. Blocks equal data plus hash plus previous hash. Number 2. Decentralized. Distributed ledger, preventing 51% network attack. Avoid central power, middleman. Number 3. Consensus. Proof of work. Verification of ownership. Miners as network verification of transaction. Prevent malicious intention. Number 4. Security cryptography. Hashing is irreversible. Data was transformed using the hash function, SHA-256. Number 5. Anonymity. Pseudo-anonymous, untraceability, and no identity exposure. Number 6. Sufficiency. Transaction proves to be faster than central banking with a cheaper fee. The ultimate goal of a blockchain. This is the part A that introduced the feature of a blockchain. Check out part B that explains further the limitations of a blockchain.